Hello everybody. So look around us today. We've got tractors. We're just blocking our road. We have all these idiots. You thought you were avoiding the camera. And with this man here, Thomas. Thomas, what are we doing?
We're going to do a dyno day.
Where?
In Ballyboy in Offaly, County Offaly for...
Now that's a good bit away from us now.
Slightly down a bit, alright, yeah. We're in the heart of the Midlands here, so
yeah,
it's central to the whole country, I suppose.
It isn't. For the likes of us, or the likes of a lot of people travelling, say, from the north around the place, we're not that far away from where like Tullamore Show would be held and stuff like that there.
Yeah, we're only a couple of miles from Tullamore Show, like, yeah.
And we're at the pub here, Dan and Molly's. Is that like the centre point of the...
Dan and Molly's would be the heart of Ballyboy, I suppose, yeah. It's our landmark, and we're proud of it, so... Yeah, it's a fantastic.
But what you're looking to do is something a bit special, a dyno day.
Dyno day, yeah.
Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, we're looking to do a dyno day. I suppose it's to try and get the horsepower of tractors on the day. We're doing it in honour of a few local fundraisers here. We're trying to do it for Ballyboy Community Development, the Ashling Murphy Memorial Fund, and Down Syndrome Offaly.
Yes.
So there are three for the local community here that would be close to us.
They would be, and even you were telling us there for Ballyboy, even the community, you know, there's a hall needing to be built, and there's a lot of work needs to be done there to keep the spirit in the community. Is that what you're...
I suppose Ballyboy doesn't have a community hall, and we're in a project running at the minute to rebuild it, so we're well on the way, and this is another fundraiser to get us there, please God.
Oh, it will do, it will do. Yeah. So, plan on the day is the 1st?
The 1st of October, Saturday the 1st of October. We have tractors dyno all day. We have 7, or all tractor main dealers. We'll have 7 dynos running on the day.
7?
We'll have entertainment on the day. We'll have Rock On Paddy's, a local stage gig, and we'll have live entertainment. So
what you're saying is it's not just for guys to rock up with their tractors to get dynoed. It's a community event. You'd like to see people coming. If you want to come, handful of euros will see you in, going to the charities. Definitely, you'll be able to have a bit of fun, enjoy the spirit, watch the tractors getting their dyno. And if you're bringing a tractor, the way you have it laid out, and I was looking at the map there, there's plenty of room for you to come in, park your tractor, take part in the festivities. You can go online and you'll get your tractor dynoed for literally half the kind of price that you'd have to pay to organise a main dealer to do it, and the money's all for charity. Simple as that.
Simple as,
So get online, get booked, get here. Hopefully we'll come down ourselves. We'd like to come down ourselves. I was looking around it there. There seems to be plenty of room, so I think we could get the lorry swung down. We'll have to choose what we'll bring. We'll have to choose what we can bring. But we know last year when we were involved in the dyno day, we were well supported throughout the country. So we want to do the same and help this community give back. And we'd like you all to come and help with us.
Perfect.
Is that it in a nutshell?
That's it in a nutshell. It's a family
Saturday
day.
the 1st.
Saturday the 1st of October, all day long.
Lethal. And remember everybody, it's okay to not be okay.